Welcome to World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez and Mr. Oz. Today we're doing world famous baked beans. So, recipe comprises of ground beef, stir fry vegetables, salt, pepper, Goya seasoning, some brown sugar, baked beans in the can, oregano, some Western oil for the ground beef, onion, habanero, and garlic. So we got the ground beef going with the onions, garlic, oregano, salt and pepper. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the baked beans.
Look at that.
And some brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Alright, so here's some baked beans, world famous style. Let's give this a taste. Oh, that's very nice. Very nice. Oh yeah, good flavoring. Good. It's almost like a caramel flavoring with a little bit of touch of spice. Very nice. Very good.
World famous.